Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a voting poll in Google Forms. So first of all, log in with your account and of course go ahead and click and create a new blank, right? And let's name this, let's name this one a voting, voting poll, right? So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead right here and see this is the untitled question. Just go ahead and let's say, what did you, right, eat today, right? And basically add the question mark and then add the option A, eggs, for example, and B, let's have an example, something like meat, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to add the option right here, whether it was A or B. And if you want to add an image to support your option, like pictures of egg or pictures of meat, just go ahead and click add image and basically hit send at the top right after you finish, and then that's it. So let's run out the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.